go to the ellipse tool in Illustrator and create a quick ellipse. You can use any other shape as well. Then gradients panel, find that in the window menu and just go here to Freeform gradient and you get a default gradient there. You can modify the colours. You can add stops, so just add a few stops, make all kinds of different colour changes. Maybe go for something like that. Then go over here to Object menu and down to Repeat and Radial. And you can see you create a nice radial design very quickly. You can resize that, move it around. You can also increase the number of instances, but also you can double click on it. So double click on there and you can edit the individual design and you can move that around. But you can also edit the gradient. So just go here to Gradient panel again, edit gradient, and then change the stops. And as you do that, you can see the colors change there. And also you can still continue to add additional stops. Maybe go there, add another stop, and like that. Once you're happy with that, you can always come out. Simply come out of the isolation mode and then you've got your design. You can modify it at any point later or increase or decrease the number of instances. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.